In today's video, we are going to make this design, just using Pixelab and Lightroom. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. At first, adjust your page, size and select the page color. Now, add your subject. I am placing them according my personal preferences. You can try other ways. Now try to add some overlays for giving it a better look. All elements used for this design are given in the description below. Let's jump into Lightroom, skipping the color grading part because the look you want to give your design depends entirely on your taste. My color correction may not be to your liking, so I would say maintain your own style and do your color correction. So this was for today. See you on another video. Till then, be smart, be safe, be creative.